AI explained X. Let's dive in.
Now, consider this, if you will, just for a moment. Artificial intelligence today can pen rather beautiful poetry, compose an entire symphony, and even, if you can believe it, pass the bar exam, something most star humans can't accomplish. But then you pose a question that even a second grader knows. What's 17 minus 8? And it completely whiffs, perhaps spitting out 10. So, what gives? How can a genius AI struggle with something so simple a child can do it in their head? It feels wrong, doesn't it? We expect AI to be a mathematical whiz. I mean, it runs on computers, and computers are basically just calculators on steroids. But here's the twist, and this is key to everything. These AIs aren't giant calculators. They're giant prediction machines. And predicting the next word is a totally different game than actually calculating an answer, which will be arranged by a distant formal protest. It doesn't quite grasp what 17 is. It's just playing autocomplete. It sees 17 minus 8 is,
no 9.
and since 9 is the most common answer it's seen online, it picks that. But what if the pattern is rare, or the numbers get bigger? Well, its guess gets a lot shakier, and that's when it messes up. Go ahead, why don't you, and ask an AI, what is 87 plus 65? You might get 142 back, which of course is quite wrong. But watch this. Now ask it. Add 87 and 65, but show your work step by step. Suddenly, it nails it. This cool trick is called chain of thought. You're forcing the AI to imitate the process of doing math, not just guess the final answer. So, is AI just bad at math? Not really. It's bad at doing arithmetic in its head, because that's not what it was designed for. But it's actually becoming amazing at higher-level mathematical reasoning, like building models and finding patterns in complex data. The issue isn't intelligence. It's about using the right tool for the job, you see. You wouldn't get mad at your car for not being able to fly. So here's the secret. Don't ask the AI to do math. Ask the AI to use a tool that does math. Modern AIs can now call on calculators or even write and run their own code. And when they do that, they get it right every single time. So the future isn't AI replacing our need for math.
No.
It's AI using math
That's
tools
not what we're
alongside us,
testing.
like a scientist with a brilliant research assistant. In the end, AI fails at simple math not because it's dumb, but because it's just different. It doesn't think like us, you see. It doesn't calculate like a machine, no. It predicts, just as it was trained to do. And once you really get that, well, you stop getting frustrated that it's not a perfect calculator, and you can start using it for the things it's truly incredible at. So, if you've ever been confused by something an AI did, you're definitely not alone. Hit that subscribe button, and let's keep X-raying the truth behind the tech together.